Welcome here to my Airbnb in Bavaria, Lake Tegernsee. I'm going to show you today the new EPOS Vision 1 webcam 4K. It promises to be ultra sharp and also reducing background noises. That's what I'm going to test in noisy environments. The street here outside is quite noisy, and I'm also showing you how it works when being on a very noisy train station. So stay tuned. I will walk you through the configuration steps, through the unboxing part, and also compare it to other webcams on the market, like the Jabra Panacast 20, Logitech Brio, Studio P5, Huddly IQ. Okay, let's do the unboxing right now of the EPOS Vision 1. Inside of the protecting case, you find the camera and USB-C cable. The camera contains 4K resolution, ultra sharp, as EPOS is saying. There's also here a nice privacy shutter. And the microphone pickup range is 3 meters or 10 feet, and the degrees 180. We're going to test the 4K resolution right now and also prove if it's going to reduce background noise. Incoming train using the Macbook. Incoming train using the EPOS Vision 1. EPOS Vision 1 Macbook. Okay. As you can see, I'm outside here, so it might be noisy, but that's something we're going to test here for the Vision 1. I walk you through the different zoom options here. This is the wide angle one. And I'm now moving to the standard zoom option, and that is now the close-up one, which is nice, but I'm not going to use it for a longer time. You can also mirror your picture, your video. You can also do anti-red in case your face is not red. It's going to change it and make you more beautiful. On the light side, I'm currently using the standard light. This would be the dark light, and this is now the brighter light. Not sure if you can see a difference here, because it's a sunny day outside. I will stay on the standard side. You can choose between the temperature. This is now standard. This would be warm. I like it. And this would be cold. So look at my face. That's now cold, and this would be warm. So let's go to the advanced settings. I'm now going to reset everything to default. So that's now default. Also default zoom, as you can see. That's now the brightness. I think 7 is quite good. I wouldn't do it brighter. I could do it brighter, but for today, that's not the best choice. So I think here in the settings, maybe 5. Let's see. Yeah, this could be a good choice, but it's still very bright outside. Contrast is currently at 7. I'm going to move it up now a little bit to 9 to 10. Okay, so that's a very good contrast. You can see if I'm going to zoom in into my face, then you can see easily how the contrast is going to change. So I'm very happy with the way my face looks, but the background is still too bright. Saturation side, we are currently at 90. Let's see if it makes sense to go up and increase saturation. Now I'm going to be too red. I'm going to increase the saturation back here to the hundreds. And see if I can change something here with the background light. Otherwise, we'll search for a different place. Or maybe we do it. Oh no, that's now the manual way of changing the white color. Let's see if we can find a nice color. This is now too blue. Okay, let's move it back to auto. If your video is just too bright like we had before, make sure to move yourself around. Now I'm sitting at a different part of the table, which looks much more better. The street is still very noisy. A lot of cars are driving. That's the main street. And now we're going to check if the EPOS is really able to reduce this kind of noise. Otherwise, I recommend to use the noise reduction built in Microsoft Teams or Zoom. And now I'm talking directly into the EPOS EXPAND 40T speakerphone, which is right next to me. You can see it here. Now talking to the Huddly IQ camera and also into the Huddly IQ microphone. Now talking to the Jabra Panacast 20 microphone and Jabra Panacast 20 camera. Now talking directly into the Logitech Brio 4K camera in a noisy environment. Now I'm talking directly into the microphone and camera of the Podi Studio P5 webcam. Now I'm talking currently into my Samsung S22 camera and also into the inbuilt microphone. The EPOS Vision 1 is a high quality webcam. I'm very impressed about the quality of the inbuilt omnidirectional microphones. Also, I expected more background noise reduction. The 4K quality of the camera has done an amazing job regarding making beautiful skin, very sharp, very clear, but the background is by far not so beautiful like we have here now on the Samsung side. The special app from EPOS called Connect offers a lot of value around color of the light. I'm usually taking the warm light, and also the 3 settings around standard, wide angle and zoom is offering a lot of value for my daily meetings. So EPOS Vision 1 gets my recommendation for a webcam. It's certified for Microsoft Teams, certified for Zoom and many others coming soon. And thanks for watching. Please share your comments with me in my video.